Hello friends, once again today I welcome you all to my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. Tonight's sky is offering a breathtaking celestial performance. Chandrika Purnima 1, the total lunar eclipse of 2025, also known as the blood moon, is unfolding right now across India and much of Asia. The blood moon glows deep crimson above, and stars shimmer in reverent silence, because Earth's shadow paints her crimson tonight. What's happening tonight? The blood moon rises in vivid crimson, framed by a star-speckled sky. On the screen, you can see an elegant summary glowing in white text, guiding you all through the eclipse's timing, type, and global visibility. Date: September 7-8, 2025. Type: total lunar eclipse, Chandragrahan. Duration of totality: 82 minutes, one of the longest in recent years. Visibility: clear across India, Asia, Australia, Africa, and parts of Europe. Color: the moon turns a deep red due to Rayleigh scattering, where Earth's atmosphere filters sunlight, allowing only red and orange hues to reach the moon. Earth's shadow paints the moon crimson. 82 minutes of celestial wonder. Here's the eclipse timings in India, IST, with the blood moon glowing in reverent silence. Phase: time, IST, penumbral begins, रात के 8:58, partial eclipse begins. रात के 9:57, total eclipse begins, रात के 11:01, maximum eclipse, रात के 11:42, total eclipse ends, 12:22 am, September 8, eclipse ends, 2:25 am, September 8. Each phase is marked like a celestial milestone, guiding you all through the moon's crimson journey. Here I share a visual, a gentle guide to the do's and don'ts during tonight's total lunar eclipse, framed in celestial reverence and tradition. What you can do is greater than. As Earth veils the moon in shadow, we pause in quiet reflection. Greater than. During this sacred moment, tradition offers us gentle guidance. Greater than. Take a spiritual bath after the eclipse. Greater than. Prepare fresh meals once the sutek ends. Greater than. Offer prayers and donations with a clean heart. And just as the moon waits to shine again, what you shouldn't do is greater than. We refrain from eating or cooking during the eclipse. Greater than. We avoid performing important rituals. Greater than. We protect our eyes and our intentions. And friends, let the eclipse be not just a spectacle, but a soulful pause. Greater than. As Earth veils the moon, let rituals guide the soul's light. During tonight's total lunar eclipse, certain individuals are traditionally guided to take extra care, both spiritually and physically. Here's a gentle visual summary of the same. Pregnant women. Why? The moon is believed to influence energies that may affect unborn children. Care. Hold a coconut filled with water in your lap before the eclipse begins, then release it into flowing water afterward. Avoid sharp objects, cooking, or stepping out during the eclipse. Spiritually sensitive individuals. Why? The eclipse is considered a time of heightened spiritual energy and vulnerability. Care. Engage in meditation, chant mantras like Mahamrityunjay or Hanuman Chalisa, and avoid negative thoughts. Elderly or ill persons. Why? The eclipse may amplify emotional or physical discomfort. Care. Rest indoors, avoid exposure to eclipse rays, and chant healing mantras. Children. Why? Their energy fields are considered more open and impressionable. Care. Keep them indoors, avoid food during the eclipse, and engage them in storytelling or quiet reflection. As the moon slips into shadow, tradition whispers its wisdom: protect what is tender. So dear friends, this celestial rhythm tonight is the total lunar eclipse of September 7-8, 2025 and is the first fully visible one across India since July 27, 2018, a gap of just over 7 years. July 27, 2018, the last time India saw a full lunar eclipse from every corner of the country. September 7-8, 2025. Tonight's eclipse is not only fully visible but also one of the longest totalities in recent memory, 82 minutes of crimson glow. Some lights return only after long waiting, just like blessings, just like grace. And yes, dear friends, you know what? The blood moon glows in reverent silence, and it's unfolding this message to you all. This is a once-in-7-year lunar moment. If you missed tonight's eclipse, the next fully visible total lunar eclipse across India won't arrive until December 31, 2028. Some lights return only after long waiting, just like blessings, just like grace. So, this is all about today's total lunar eclipse. Hope you all liked this share. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you for visiting and watching my channel.